Sure, good morning guys, what is up? It is day 8 here in Australia. We're still in Canberra, but we're gonna be leaving in 12 noon. So yeah, we're in Arboretum, gonna see something beautiful. So yeah, let's go guys.
There's no more time to hide, because I feel again, I feel again. Oh, now I feel again. We're bringing this back to life. I feel it again. I feel again. We're bringing this back to life.
Chill, what is up guys? We're now back here at the train station because we're now leaving Canberra because we're going back to Sydney, which is a 4-hour train ride. So yeah, I'm gonna say goodbyes. Canberra is really great, really great. I recommend you guys visit this place even for once in a while, once in your lifetime, you know. Really cool. What can you say about Canberra?
It's very awesome. Also amazing.
Mola?
Yeah.
What can you say about Canberra?
Very nice. I'd like to go back sometime.
Yeah, that's all guys. So see you guys.
Sayonara.
Thank you.
Ari na ka diri day?
Thank you kayon.
Way isa pa yan. Balik-balik layo pa man.
Lagi.
Magbas na sad mo. Thank you ha.
Thank you, Kaya.
Pasalubong.
Train.
25-26.
We are now back here in Melissa's apartment guys. So just packing a load of stuff, loading them back, and yeah, I'll see you guys in the next video.